What's poppin', yo? It's yo boy Logan, and today we are swinging in the swinging chair. That's not what we're doing today, so let's get this day started. Today we'll be running the marathon. Yay! Running the marathon! Woo, we're doing so good! We're doing so good! Logan's in the lead! He's coming around! Look. He's still on it! And running! And running! Good job. You're good. You're running marathon. You're good. Logan, man. I can't believe they don't like me today. Guess I'll just have to be lonely. Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? Please. She doesn't want to be my friend. I guess I'll just have to be lonely. I'd rather be lonely than be with a dog named Lily. She's right there. And you can't see her. Today, I'm taking another walk around the property. Just checking what's out. But make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any cringy stuff. Like right now, this is cringy. So I know you guys are cringing behind your screen. I'm sorry. But I have no friends. And there are my little... Wait, where did they go? Oh well, there was something right there. I don't know what it was. I don't know where ducks are. They were in there. I don't know where. Probably left. Lily, what's that? Look at these. Look at that. They're cool. Lily, what are those? Lily, what are them? What are those? Do you guys want to see me ride them? Okay, screw it, I'm riding them. Hope I can get some good photos, video. Okay, I know I'm gonna get bucked off. I am literally on him. Oh no. Uh-oh. Okay. Thank you, Levi, for the quick little ride. Slim. Linus, she looks so much different. That's Linus. He just came back from training. We sent Chief, our other horse there to get trained. But this earthquake. He is massive. Look at the size of my head compared to his. His head is actually massive. It's huge. It's crazy. This is Linus. Hi, buddy. You look different. Different. Oh well. Come on, Lily. We're going on a trip. Look at how freaking beautiful this little pond is. It is so beautiful. Crystal clear. Crystal clear. You can see right to the bottom. This is such a cool pond. Yeah. Keep moving on, right, Lily? flies right there. Probably can't see it, but can you please go? I'm trying to film a video here. It's probably cringy. Like and subscribe. There we go. Hopefully he subscribed. Probably didn't. Probably couldn't hear me. It's probably because I wasn't loud enough. Like and subscribe! There we go. That was definitely loud enough. I mean, people all the way down in Antarctica could have heard that. You could have heard it in a blizzard. You could have heard it with earmuffs on. That was pretty loud. I'll probably put the voice volume down. Oh, jeez. Yeah, because people down in Antarctica definitely could have heard that. We're at another pond. Kind of murky. Like, it's not murky under the water. It's just that there's a film on top of the water. You probably can't see that very well. Comment down below if you can see the film. Like, ready? You can see the film move away. Look at that. And it's slowly going back. That's crazy, bruh. Hey guys, only like 6 more days of my cast on, and I get it off. And we set. Time to go up here. That's our property line. It's way in there, and it goes. There's the fence for our property line. Right there. But yeah, there's the fence. Come on, Lily. You in like a desperate situation, you could drink that. 50 likes and I'll drink that. 50 likes with 1 subscriber. You can do it. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, because the more subscribers, the better. And hopefully burn off some calories by walking. There's just a woodpecker over there. Here's another pond right up from that one. Oh my gosh. Look at all of the daisies. Doing my cat Daisy would like. Yeah, Daisy is a legend, but probably can't hear that, but that's woodpecker. Look at all of them. Look at all of them over there. Just crazy. Oh well. Now let's go to this pond over here. My voice sounds really stupid on camera, but it's not as cringy in real life. Sorry about that. Ooh, look at that flower. Look at that flower. Look at that. That's cool. Here's the other pond. I mean, look at how clear this water is. Remember, 50 likes and I'll drink a cup of it. What's that right there? Oh no, you can't see it. Is that a goldfish? Freaking. Oh no, never mind, that's a leaf. False alarm. That was. Oh, dang it. There's our little tree growing. Happy about that. Look how cool it is down there. Lily, you can drink some if you want. Okay, come on, Lily. Let's go, boy. Go.